Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust or invert colors in Canva. So if you have any images and want to adjust or edit some colors in Canva, you can easily do it here. If you haven't created your account in Canva yet, just create one with Google in Canva. Then, after that, simply select the dimensions for the design you want to create. Just create a new document, then go to Uploads and upload the image from your computer that you want to adjust colors for. For example, I want to adjust the colors of the image I have added. Just click on it, and it will be added to your page. If you want to adjust the color, here is the color adjustment option. If you want, you can adjust like this, just, or like this, and like that. Simply adjust it, and whichever looks best, you can leave it as is. After that, you can also adjust color by applying filters or effects. Go to the Edit option, and here is the Filters option where you can see the changes. You can adjust the intensity, or later like this, you can play with the intensity and also the filters. Select whichever filter or effect fits best. Just click on it, and you are ready to create a new effect. Customize any filter you like, and if you don't want it, just click on it. And like this, you can adjust it and see the difference. This was the original, and this is with the adjusted color. You can easily compare them and see how it looks. So like this, you can just adjust your colors in Canva within a few minutes and without having a lot of experience with color grading. Just apply some filters and play with the intensity of the numbers, and your color adjustments will be finalized. So yeah, just adjust colors and enjoy designing in Canva, creating new designs, and practicing in Canva.